Nandito kami sa ano.
That's the newer one now.
Oh, there's Jeep in there, older. Huh?
Flat fender.
We start in here.
I don't know.
Huh?
No bit.
Oh, yeah.
Not fixed up at all, but it's there.
The Stingray.
Rough. They're rough.
Nice cars. Oh.
At least we're local this year for the 4th. Yeah, I think
That's nice too. Huh?
Twin 4 barrel.
For sale.
Where?
This one.
Oh yeah. 55K.
Huh?
55,000. Got a blower on it.
That's
Twin
nice.
4s once again.
It's really nice. 1934 Ford 4-door sedan.
I just spent the last 10 minutes looking for you. And Coach Taylor wanted you to play.
The whole inside on you.
Volkswagen.
To
1962.
see the surfboards and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah. This one is 62. 1962, this one.
Yeah. Rock crawler.
68. $1990 Jeep. 1990.
It's a Wrangler with the square headlights and stuff. I'm not a fan of those though.
What is this?
Just a truck.
Truck.
Power stroke.
1997 Ford.
I don't know what's in here.
Special. 1991.
Mercedes-Benz convertible.
Huh?
Mercedes-Benz convertible.
That's nice.
Oh, there's a mid-50 Chevy.
Firebird.
Yeah, that's fun.
Thunderbird.
You guys enjoy.
There you go.
Huh?
Fastback Mustang.
Ah, nice.
I
Oh.
like the fastbacks.
1968.
Yeah. Nice cars. 289 probably.
Yeah, worth it.
Volkswagen.
There's the ancient one.
Huh?
There's the ancient one.
Jeep. Old Jeep. 1961. Huh? 4-wheel. This is a nice color. This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice color.
Yeah.
This one too, red. There's food in there, babe. Oh. Huh?
Engine put in the back like all Volkswagen.
That's a wood.
Nice creation.
Yeah, it's nice.
Car. Open the door. Like that one.
Huh?
Purple one's nice. Came up with 32. That's all I could come up with at the time.
Oh,
It was sad to let it go.
what? This one?
The convertible Mustang.
Oh,
Nice cars. There's no Jeep, flat fender.
Yeah.
Awesome.
it's old Jeep.
No,
Which one?
pretty close.
This one?
Yeah. Real sporty little
Looks
muscle car.
shiny.
There you go. There's a new bit.
Ah, that's nice.
ZRO.
The ZRO.
Want the ZR1 yet? Mr. Vato, welcome to pass.
Huh?
That's nice.
Yeah. Uh, this one, oh. Oh, that's nice. Low rider.
There's the one with your hydraulics in it, yeah.
Huh?
One with your hydraulics in it.
Yeah.
V8.
That's nice. You don't want something? Hingihi si Mark. Po tayo dito, guys. Nag-start sila kahapon.
I haven't seen any Mustang Cobras here.
Maybe in there somewhere.
Yeah. Old Street Road. PTO, yeah.
Foothill Custom. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, that's nice too. Look at that small one. Look at this one, the red.
Another rod. Bronco.
What? That one?
Yeah.
Old one? Yeah.
Military Jeep. Yeah.
There's another Bronco. Collect this one.
There's
Bronco.
a Bronco. The other one was a Scout. I just didn't look at it right.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
70s model Lincoln Continental.
Oh. That's nice, huh?
There you go. That's
Corvette.
60s. Fiberglass body.
Yeah.
3 out of 2.
There's another one. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so they won a lot. Trophy.
Yeah. So Broncos are being a real high price too.
Hmm.
Those Broncos like that, they're worth a lot of money. The one on your right side, my dear, the blue one, dark
Blue?
blue Bronco. those
Oh,
are worth a
okay.
lot.
Yeah. It's a competition.
It's got the fan, got big wheels.
67 Chevy Camaro, and they still made a good looking
Chevy Camaro. Yeah.
454.
454. El Camino. This one is Chevelle.
Mm-hmm. Worth a lot of money.
I'll let you know I'm almost finished, I think.
454.
But some people do.
454
Body
too.
car truck combo.
Oh. Rumblebee. Huh?
Lower sitting on top, my dear.
Ah, that is.
That's more nice speed.
$1942 Ford GPW.
Nice speed.
Mac. Huh?
Nice.
Ford 1973 Land Rover.
Land Rover. Come on. That makes some ugly ones, didn't
Yeah. It works.
they? Too heavy to do that well in the trails I go on. There you go, another Chevy Camaro.
Camaro.
69. Where's some bucks? Back when they were all that muscle car race.
Hmm?
Shifter, I like these shifters, they put in these.
Oh,
Still an automatic, but
yeah.
pretty nice.
Right?
All right.
Like how much did we find him in Tennessee?
383.
There's a sandal in there.
Rod there.
1931.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Yeah.
There's a radio in there too.
Yeah, it's built as a race car, basically.
Oh,
No weight to it, you know, it's all engine. CJ? No, that's a YJ, never mind.
YJ.
Yeah, I don't like the square headlight look at the guy.
'68 VW Volkswagen. It's one in 1956. Shiny. Everyone got trophies.
Looks like
No,
it. Not quite, but a lot of trophies.
probably not. Just a recognition, probably.
They must have a
Dito.
lot of different categories here, because you can't put
Different
one against
categories.
another one, you know?
Yeah.
So different.
Here's our here's down here. We have. Is that Randy's car? I bet it is.
1973. Huh?
They weren't much of a car, but people put V8s and stuff in them. Turned into a bit of a racing car. It's got out and everything on that one. And wheel bars.
It's nice, oh. Dodge.
Convertible Dodge, what is it?
1963.
Yeah. Baby convertible.
During his wedding reception, after they won.
Thunderbird. 1957. Yeah. It's nice, huh? Here's the one that don't stand under the car.
Oh, Bronco.
Is that? GT 500. This one, oh.
Yeah, it would have been nice, huh? Oh, that's plenty.
Do you have money, Larry? Or do I need to get my money?
What?
To buy me some food.
There we go. Money. Yeah. Well, good to see you, man. Have a good one. Are you ever
It's safe.
They had the X on the